Can you unreport an Instagram account? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, how reporting works. To report an account, you simply need to first open Instagram. Now go ahead and search for the profile which you want to report on Instagram. Open the profile. Now tap three dots at top right and select report. Here you need to simply add or choose the options and then tap something else. You can easily options and then tap on down button at bottom of the screen. So if you are looking for either we can unreport an Instagram account, then unfortunately you cannot unreport an account once the report has been submitted. But don't worry, if you reported someone by accident or feel it was unnecessary, then Instagram reviews all the reports carefully. If the account hasn't violated Instagram guidelines, no action will be taken against it. So if you have accidentally reported someone, there is no need to panic. They won't face any consequences unless Instagram finds the genuine violations. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.